Hi, my name is Tom Doyle. I work in the Education Department of the National Museum of Ireland Country Life, and I'm going to show you how to make a harvest knot. One of many harvest knots, but this is the easiest type to make. It's called a 4-strand harvest knot. So this material here it's wheaten straw. It's an old heritage variety of straw. I get it in from England, and it's freeze dried, and you have to soak it to allow it to bend. So originally, I suppose this straw will grow very tall, and by the time you kind of clean it back, that's the kind of length you're looking at. What they grow now is kind of shorter variety of straw. That's I suppose easier for the combine harvester. This is the craft material, needs to be still cut by hand to okay. So what I've done there is 4 strands. You tie them just underneath the ears, and you spread them out. It's called a compass plait, so you can guess once I spread them out here why it's called a compass plait. We have a north, south, east and west. So as the simplest way of making it, this straw nearest to you is called a weaver straw. So you usually start with that. It goes up north, and the one up north goes south, and east and west swap over. So in the center, it kind of looks a bit like a British cross, I think. So there's actually 3 or 4 different types you can do with 4 strands. The compass plait is keeping straight lines. So this one can either go straight down or you can cross over. So with a compass plait, you do straight lines. So up, down, right, left. So you don't cross over, you keep straight lines, up, down, right, left, up, down, right, left. And you use that mantra for a while. Harvest knots, again, not different parts of the country would have made these. Most likely where you would have grown the material, you would make harvest knots. Very old tradition, probably started off with that idea of corn dollies, and I suppose because so many people were working as migratory labourers, you know, a lot of these traditions were going back and forth from England and Scotland and Wales. So the harvest knot was a tradition that, you know, you'd make one of these to give to somebody you liked. So when you didn't have a lot of money years ago, if you made one of these, you could wear them at the harvest dance or during the harvest festival. So you see now I'm coming towards the end of the straw. So I'm just going to tie this up. And you notice kind of I have a pattern. So I'll just to show you here, I'm just holding up the 4 ends of straw upright, and I'll tie it. Nice tight knots. All of these have to be tight knots, double knot. Now, so that's kind of stage 1. What I do is I'll trim the ends, grab one side and grab just underneath where the ears are, and give it a pull. It's amazing how strong straw is, because years ago straw was used for making rope. You could either twist it or you could plait it. So you can see that the strength in that material. So now you do the harvest bow, and it's one loop. You put this inside and you bring it down. You make 2 ears. Should have a bit of string left over that can wrap around to hold it in place. And there you have your harvest knot. So very last thing to do is put a bit of ribbon on it. The only way I can do ribbon is a shoelace, so wrap it around. There we go, there we have our harvest knot.